Hello guys, how are you? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen, welcome! Today we are making a really easy Italian dessert, panna cotta. Let's do it!
Add the sheets of gelatin to a bowl of cold water and soak for 10 minutes. Pour the milk and cream into a saucepan. Add the vanilla extract and stir. Add the sugar. Stir to combine. When the mixture is hot, remove from the heat. Take the gelatin out of the cold water, then add to the mixture. Stir until completely dissolved. Pour the mixture into ramekins and cover.
Now we let them cool at room temperature and then we put in the fridge for at least 5-6 hours.
Dip the ramekin in a bowl of warm water for a few seconds. Turn each ramekin upside down onto a serving plate. Cut the chocolate bar in pieces. Add the chocolate to a saucepan over very low heat. Add some double cream. When the chocolate starts to melt, turn off the heat. Keep on stirring and adding cream until the chocolate reaches the right consistency.
OMG, it's so good! It's perfect actually. It's so easy, but it's so good. You should try it.